Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, April 6. The number of total confirmed cases is 18, with 2 new cases since yesterday's update. Of those 18 cases, 10 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 8 active cases are residents, 6 are in home isolation, 1 is in isolation at a facility, and 1 remains in isolation in the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related, and the source of infection for that 1 case continues to be investigated by the Department of Health. Kauai's tally of cases and other information of COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency, or KEMA, site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit HawaiiCovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. Many of our county services are still operating. Today, we'll highlight a few of our offices that are operating and how to engage with those agencies. The Public Works Building Division has closed its counter but is still open. They will continue to electronically receive and process permits during the physical closure of its office. Permits will be queued to be approved but not released until the emergency rules are lifted. Applications may be submitted digitally at building@kauai.gov with permit fees mailed in. Building, plumbing, and electrical inspectors will only honor requests for essential projects as defined under the emergency rule. Vertical construction, including renovation and remodeling activities, is not considered essential at this time. Inspector contact information is available on the Building Division's website at www.kauai.gov/publicworks/building. Public access to the Driver's Licensing Division in Lihue is closed. For now, do not worry about driver's license renewals, as those are suspended for 90 days. Licenses and identification cards that expire in the months of March, April, May, and June are automatically covered by this extension. Licenses that expired prior to March are not eligible. Licenses will no longer be effective for driving after the 90-day extension period unless they are renewed. The extension includes all valid Kauai driver's license, learner's permits, and identity cards. For applicable licenses, late fees will not be assessed during this period. For more information, please call Driver's Licensing at 241-4242. There remain several ways to pay vehicle registration renewals. We will still be accepting payments through the Dropbox window located to the right of the glass doors at the Kapule building, and mail will still be processed. The Safeway kiosks remain open, and for the time being, the kiosk will allow registration renewals even if your safety check is expired. Motor vehicle registration payments are also accepted at MVR.EHAWAII.GOV/renewals. For more information, please call Motor Vehicle at 241-4256. The housing agency has also made operational adjustments. All Housing Choice Voucher unit inspections will be suspended except for necessary move-in inspections for new tenants. All Section 8 clients are encouraged to mail in required documents rather than visit the housing agency office. The Section 8 window at the P.E. Kauai building is closed for in-person service. You may mail copies of essential documents, and any originals can be provided at a later date. The agency will not be doing any in-office client consultations. Rather, staff will contact clients by phone to request additional documents. All group briefings are canceled. Lastly, any HCV waitlists and HQS deadlines are extended to May 8 and may be subject to further extension. The Agency on Elderly Affairs is not assisting anyone in person. All inquiries and communications with the Agency on Elderly Affairs shall be through phone at 241-4470 or by emailing MVR.EHAWAII.GOV. For questions regarding Retired and Senior Volunteer Program or RSVP, please call 241-4479 or email rsvp@kauai.gov. For questions regarding Medicare or other services, please call 241-4470 to make an appointment. A representative from AEA will return any message within 48 hours. Reynolds Recycling in Lihue is closed, but all transfer stations remain open at this time. However, visits to the transfer stations should be limited to essential needs only, such as residents that do not have curbside refuse collection. While we realize many people are using this time at home to catch up on home or yard projects, now is not the time to be taking multiple trips to the transfer station. Remember, everyone should be staying at home unless absolutely necessary. This virus does not move on its own. It moves when we move, and the more we move, the more we expose ourselves and each other to this virus. So please, stay home. We'll highlight more county departments in the coming days, and our associates will continue to do their best to safely serve you during this health emergency. In line with new CDC recommendations, we continue to strongly recommend that all businesses and services require your employees to wear cloth masks. We also strongly urge all public-facing businesses to require your customers over the age of 10 to wear cloth masks to enter your business. Additionally, we strongly encourage all individuals over the age of 10 to wear a cloth mask or face covering anytime you're outside in the public. Remember, folks, my mask protects you, and your mask protects me. Let's work together to protect each other from coronavirus. We can also continue to protect each other by staying home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Center for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly with detailed guidance related to COVID-19. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Once again, Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there and take care of one another. God bless and aloha.